So here's how to change the date and time on your GoPro Hero 12. Now by default, your GoPro picks up the time of your phone, the phone that you used to set up the GoPro at the beginning. So to change that, simply swipe down from the top of the screen and then flick left, tap on preferences. Under preferences, scroll and find date time. Tap on that. Tap on the wrong thing. So this one, date time. And here, as you can see, you can change the date. So if you tap on date, you can actually change the date. This is the month, the day, and the year. Now once you change, let's say for instance I want to change to that, and I want to change to that month. Once you finish changing, just tap on the check mark in the top right corner, and that's going to save that new date, as you can see. Now you can also change the format. So currently it's on month, day, year. You can change that to day, month, year by just swiping up, or year, month, date, depending on what you want really. And then you can also change the time. Then you can also choose whether it's AM or PM, or you can change to the 24-hour clock system, depending on what you want. Then you have time zone and all that stuff. And once you change, you can now go back to the main screen. That's basically how to change date and time on your GoPro Hero 12. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.